Nigeria is experiencing what we call Mayday, Mayday. You know, if you're on a flight and it's Mayday, Mayday, it means that you're in between life and death. Nigerians are in between life and death. As a matter of fact, just in the last couple of days, over 400 Nigerians have been massacred between Benue and Plateau State. We're receiving news of kidnappings in Zamfara and other places. As we speak right now, because our families and brothers and sisters are all here, I have brothers who can't even eat. Nigerians are going through some of the most incredible times in the history of Nigeria, where pain, hunger, prices of food, transportation, everything has skyrocketed. Nigerians are more weaponized in terms of their poverty more than any time in the history of our nation. And therefore, this landmark event that marks the Labor Day, the beginning of what we call our Luta, is to both speak into the narrative of strengthening the Nigerian workers. And when I say workers, I'm talking about both the organized labor and the unorganized labor, because in terms of data and number, the organized labor is just like 10% of the unorganized. So if the organized labor, who are suffering to even get the minimum, what can we say about the unorganized labor? This is why Nigerians die every day and nobody cares. This is the core of the essence of this, to both strengthen and speak to the Nigerian people, regardless of party, regardless of religion, regardless of tribe and tongue. This is about Nigeria surviving. To speak to policymakers, to leaders, and to Nigerians who are going through turmoil right now. To say that it is Mayday, Mayday, for those who are conscious and those who are not. To wake up, and that we are not the first to be here. And that surely, if other nations who have gone through what situations can come out, if Nigerians can be awoken, if we can speak to the consciousness of Nigerians, that definitely it is a leadership crisis, and with a change in leadership from every level, that Nigeria can regain, and rather than crash, it can gain control and can stabilize the flight. Nigerian leaders have shown that they are deaf, they are dumb, they have become clueless and useless. They care just about themselves. That's why they will not build hospitals here, but go outside to go and have their health care. They will not build education, but send their children abroad. I would rather say they should wait for the Mayday, because Nigerians are waking up. Exactly. And once Nigerians are fully up, what they don't hear now, they say that Peking, we say Mama no go sleep. No go sleep. Instead no go sleep. That's my message to the leadership. That's right. Thank you very much. Thank you. My name is Dr. Moses Paul, ED of Free Nigeria Foundation. Thank you.